Hey everybody, how's it going? Real quick, I want us to talk about this program or this platform which is called Booming Bookkeeping. Booming Bookkeeping is kind of a business that is designed to help you set up and grow your own bookkeeping business. All right. So, in case you want to delve into this aspect of bookkeeping and you got in touch with Booming Bookkeeping Business, which is owned by Bill van Fumetti, if I'm correct, all right. And this sounds like a Dutchman. So if you ever consider this and you want to make inquiry about this, then let's talk about this, because I also got in touch with this. I'm like, okay, I want to talk about this because that is what I do on this channel. When I see anything that I feel like my audience will be interested in online, I decide to talk about it so that they can be able to make the best decision online. Now, this is Booming Bookkeeping, and as you can see right there, it's a bookkeeping is the perfect work from anywhere business, and it says join the 7,000 plus people that have helped start and grow the #1 most profitable small business on the planet, whenever you have experience or whether you have experience or not. Now, as you can see right there, Bill van Fumetti, CPA, your bookkeeping business mentor, and this is the man right here who promised to help you to get started with a successful bookkeeping business. All right, so let's dive more deeper into this, and it's kind of structured to guide you through the entire process, from setting up your business to probably acquiring your first client, and beyond in the bookkeeping niche. All right, now let us break down what you can expect to learn from this course, okay, so that you'll be able to know exactly what you're getting into. Now, the curriculum of this program covers everything from the fundamental of bookkeeping to the advanced client acquisition strategies and sales techniques, okay, and it's a comprehensive program that leaves no stone unturned, okay. Actually, that is what it's promised. I wouldn't really assure that is what you've been promised, and when it comes to helping you succeed in the bookkeeping industry. All right. Now, one thing Bill promised about the program is the easy accessibility, okay, so whereby you do not need to have any previous accounting knowledge to get started, because when it comes to niches like this, whereby bookkeeping, it requires accounting knowledge, okay, that is what we know, because the last time I did bookkeeping was when I was in my high school, okay, and I did accounting, so that was when I did bookkeeping last. And this is something unique, because what we've been able to see on the internet are majorly Amazon FBA, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, a whole lot of other stuff, e-commerce. Those are the things that we are seeing. Real estate, crypto, stock, forex, and all that. So those are the ones that we are used to seeing. But this one is unique. This one, whereby you're starting a successful, bookkeeping business, and in this kind of scenario, you really do not need to bother yourself about you having previous knowledge regarding what you're about to get into. Okay, so now that is what this promise actually, okay. And as you can see, you say it's successful bookkeeping business have two crucial pillars: to be a great bookkeeper and be great at getting clients. Bookkeeping business gives you all the tools you need to do both, with Bill van Fumetti as your personal mentor, helping you start and grow the bookkeeping business of your dream, and all that. I wouldn't want to waste much of time there. And right here we've got some success stories that this man has posted on his page, and right here I think he showed himself a lot, and he's been doing this since 20, like he said he's been helping people, okay, since 2018. He's helped over 7,000 people to start and grow their bookkeeping business, okay. So that is it. That is what we've got on this page, okay. And right here on this page you can see it says challenge. You can see the challenge is the 5 days keyboard rich bookkeeping challenge, okay. It says the challenge is closed, new date will be announced. Now, one thing I think I always like is a challenge that has been said it's closed, okay. So this kind of looks a little bit legitimate, okay. The reason is because most of the gurus out there, their challenges are not always closed, okay. They always have the challenge open for long, because like almost for life, okay, unless they just want to upgrade their course, okay. So that is what we are used to saying. But right here you can see it says the challenge is now closed, so meaning maybe there is a particular time that they open this challenge, okay. So you can see it says introducing the 5-day keyboard rich bookkeeping challenge, and how anyone can earn 6 figures from home with a simple bookkeeping business. All right, now it's important that you set realistic expectation, okay, in case you want to go ahead to dive into this program, okay, because even though it offers tools and knowledge you need to succeed, you need to know that building a bookkeeping business takes time, okay, and effort, because this is what I've gone ahead to make research online about, and a whole lot of people are talking about the immense efforts that is needed for you to be able to get any success with this type of business. So you can see virtual bookkeeping is the best way to make real money online and blah blah blah. So there's a lot there, but you really need the effort. Okay, you really need the effort for you to be able to get any success with this program. Okay, now, so what I'm just letting you know is that do not expect any overnight success, okay, but you should rather be prepared to put in the work, and you need to stay consistent. Okay, so in case you have the 9 to 5 job, you need to consider this very well, because you might not even have the time to devote to this. Okay, so that is one thing you need to know. Although this man promised you all the tools that you're gonna be needing, but you still need to know that you need the time to invest into this. Okay, so now I think there are lots. You can see the secrets never screen up. So there are a lot of the challenges and days. Okay, now let's talk about some challenges that I've seen some people face regarding this program. Okay, because I went ahead, make some researches, and these are some of the things that I've seen some people complain about. Now the first one is that I see some people saying they face the challenge of discrepancy in the video content, and there is also limitation with the QuickBook Pro Advisor directory. So I think that is a tool that is being needed when you're going ahead to use to apply what you're going to be learning in case you enroll for this program. Okay, so there is a limitation in that tool, which is called the QuickBooks Pro Advisor directory. Especially for those who are living outside the United States, they might possibly encounter some limitations with that tool. Okay, but if you are living in the United States, then you might not really encounter much limitation. Okay, what can deprive someone from being able to get progress with this program? Okay, so I'm just gonna advise that you do your due diligence well, and you consider well before you go ahead for this. Okay, although if you're living in the United States, you might not want to bother about the QuickBooks Pro program, because just a lot of people complaining are not in the United States. Okay, but one thing a lot of people have commented about this program is the ability to communicate easily with Bilvan. Okay, from my research, a lot of people said his team has been very helpful, and whenever questions are being needed, or maybe you have some concerns, they are always there to help out. So it's a good advantage in case you want to consider it. It's not bad. Okay, so that is just what you need to know. And flexibility and convenience, the course is entirely online, so meaning you can easily go through it and it will be easy for you. Okay, so that is just what I've been able to see regarding this program, and in case you might want to consider it, it's not bad. You can give it a try. However, I would suggest that you take your time. Don't go ahead, and you can set up with the group there. So I think it's cool, so you can go ahead, give it a try. Possibly it helps you out to make the best decision out there. Okay, and if you want to give it a try, in case maybe by the time you're watching the video it's already too much of high tickets program, you can decide to not pay everything in full. Maybe you can pay half to test this out and see how it works. Okay, and if you're convenient with what you've seen or you've learned, and you feel like, okay, this is something that can work for you, you might decide to pay the rest and learn the rest. Okay, but if it's not, then you can easily opt out from it. All right, so that is what I have for you. And several people have been asking me, one thing you need to know is that if 7,000 people are getting success, like the way he claimed that he has already taught 7,000 people since 2018, then if 7,000 people are getting success with this, then definitely this kind of business is supposed to be saturated. Okay, a lot of people should be getting results. And one problem with this kind of stuff is that they will not tell you what you need. Okay, so one thing you need is traffic. Okay, because that is what I've been able to see in this business. Okay, so you need a good traffic method. Okay, such as you using social media or YouTube or Google. Okay, you need to have a good traffic method to get clients before this can work for you, because this man is not going to give you clients. He's just going to teach you exactly what you need. So I want you to know that you're going to be needing clients if you want to go for this. So, and the best way that you can get clients that I know is using YouTube. Okay, now with YouTube it becomes easier for you to get clients, because people that come to YouTube, they are seeking for a solution. Okay, you are here today listening to this video because you're looking for a solution and you want to know more about this program. You want to know if it's okay to go for, and you just want to hear opinion of others. So YouTube is a good platform that you can use to get people, okay, get real people, like people who are really interested in whatever you are offering in bookkeeping. Okay, so that is why I suggest using YouTube. But the problem that a lot of people have is that they cannot show their face, okay, and they can't do voiceover. Okay, that is the main problem a lot of people have. They don't have this cool voice, and they don't have the ability, the boldness to show their face. And that is why we have AI now, and with an AI tool called Jet. Okay, it helps you to create videos without having to show your face, or without even needing to use your voice. Okay, and you can use this Jet app, this Jet AI, to create unlimited YouTube videos, YouTube short videos, and even long form videos just like this, and you can upload them on YouTube, and you can start getting traffic. Okay, you can talk about bookkeeping. There are a lot of videos in the library of Jet which are non-copyrighted, and the fun thing about Jet is that it's not only going to be creating the video for you, it's also going to help you create the thumbnail, the description. It's even as a page builder which you can use to create your your product sales page, maybe your business page, without having to create a website separately or buying a domain. Everything is in Jet, and this is very much affordable for everyone. I mean, just with the price of a burger, you can pay a one-time fee for Jet, and you can have it for life to create unlimited YouTube videos. I'm not just telling you this is what I use for my other channels. Okay, I've used Jet for my other channels. I have 3 other channels out there that I use Jet for, and I use it to create unlimited videos, and I even use it to render services to other people who might want to create YouTube videos. Okay, so instead of me going out to spend thousands of dollars on freelancers to help me create videos or thumbnails and all that, I use Jet, and it's been helping me just for the price of a burger. You get access to Jet. Okay, so it's just small fee to get access, and it's one-time fee. So in case you want to try out Jet today, you can click the link in the video description, or check the screen. You gotta see the link to Jet there, and you can go straight to get access to this tool, which is gonna help you out to start creating YouTube videos. You can even rebroadcast this video on social media like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels, and not only YouTube. Okay, so you can rebroadcast those videos on social media, and you get more views. Okay, so should I say rebroadcast or republish? Okay, you can republish them on other social media platforms. So I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, can make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos just like this. And I wish you the best of luck. Go ahead, try Jet today, and it's gonna help you out to become the better version of yourself in your bookkeeping business. So make sure you have a traffic source, because without a traffic source, you stand less chances of getting results with this type of business. I wish you the best of luck. Peace, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.